Speak English, Level 1.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak English Level 1. Today, I'll show you how to practice speaking English alone, even if you have no partner. Yes, you can practice English just by talking to yourself. We'll do it together step by step. You'll learn how to describe your daily routine, what you do, what you see, and what you think in simple English. So grab your headphones, relax, and let's speak English together.
Morning routine. Good morning. I just woke up. I open my eyes and stretch my arms. I feel a little sleepy, but I need to start my day. I say to myself, okay, let's get ready. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. The water is cold. Now I wash my face. It feels fresh. Then I look in the mirror and smile. Next, I make my bed. I pull the blanket, fix the pillow, and make everything look tidy. I like starting my day with a clean room. Now I go to the kitchen. I'm making a cup of tea. The water is boiling. I pour it carefully into my cup. It smells good. While drinking tea, I think about my day. What should I do today? Maybe study English or finish my work. Getting ready. Now it's time to get ready. I open my wardrobe and choose my clothes. Should I wear a blue shirt or a white one? I pick the blue one. It looks nice. I get dressed, comb my hair, and check the mirror again. Okay, ready to go. Before leaving, I pack my bag. I take my notebook, my phone, and a water bottle. Then I wear my shoes. All right, I'm ready. If you're at home today, you can also talk about what you're doing. For example, I'm turning on my computer. I'm checking my email. I'm cleaning the table. Just describe every small action in English. That's how you improve your fluency. Work time. Now I'm sitting at my desk. I open my laptop and start working. First, I read some messages. Then I reply to them. I check my to-do list. I have many tasks today. While working, I say in my mind, I'm writing an email. I'm reading a document. I'm watching a video. These small sentences help me think in English. If you're a student, say things like, I'm doing my homework. I'm solving a math problem. I'm learning new vocabulary. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. Just keep speaking. Fluency grows when you use English every day.
Evening routine. The day is almost over. I feel a little tired but happy. I go to the kitchen again to make dinner. I cut some vegetables, cook rice, and make curry. It smells so good. I say to myself, dinner looks delicious. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I clean the table. Then I relax on the sofa. I check my phone and watch some English videos. Maybe like this one. Now it's time to get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I put on my pajamas. Then I say, "Good night. I did my best today." Today, you practiced speaking English alone, just by narrating your day. This method is simple but powerful. The more you talk to yourself in English, the more confident you become. Try this every day, morning, afternoon, or night. Speak out loud. Don't worry about mistakes, because mistakes are proof that you're learning. Thank you for watching Speak English Level 1. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and speak with me in the next lesson. See you soon, and keep speaking English, even when you're alone.